Hey guys, Randy Schultz, Bird Hunter Sauce YouTube channel, and today I'm hunting in New Mexico. I've got Cap on the ground, my 13-year-old, almost 14-year-old. Oh, look at that. See those right there? Quail tracks. I like that already. I don't know if you can see him. Cap's pointed right there. I gotta get to him without getting sliced up. Not too successful. Ouch. Okay. All right, buddy. You guys lining up already? Restaurant's not open yet. Hang in there. So we got Mearns quail, blue quail, Gambel's quail, and I'm going to go ahead and clean those, and we're going to go ahead and fry them up. Well, the quail's a hit. Let's see if this bread's going to be any good. Ah. Wow, bread is so good. Oh, splattered grease everywhere. Now, this one's a little thinner. Okay, that's the first time I ever made bread. It's good. Oh my God. Oh. Mmm. Fresh bread cooked on the tailgate. Mmm. So, next time I do this, I'm going to have some butter. Oh my gosh. There's nothing like fresh hot bread. I made bread. Hey. Unbelievable. Mm. So, that was a cup, got all over my hands too. It was a cup of bread flour and a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, instant yeast, all mixed up dry. And then I put about I don't know, half a cup of water, mixed it all up in the bag. And I've been sitting for a couple hours. But I watched some videos and read some stuff on how to make bread, and the guys are talking about having it sit for 8 or 9 hours. I didn't do that, and it's great. This bread is awesome. I can't believe how good it is. So, this one is a little thinner. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Can't believe how good this is. So, got this inspiration last night while I was, believe it or not, I was just kind of laying in bed. And it was so good. Sauteed quail with garlic, salt, and pepper, olive oil, and homemade bread for lunch. Not bad. I encourage you to go to Outdoor Boys YouTube channel That boy can cook. But for quail in New Mexico, Mearns quail, Gambel's quail, and blue quail, this is what we're having. And it is so good. So good. Brought to you by, that's a jet boil. And I camp out with it. And it's got 2 burners and works off a 1 pound can. And amazing dual burner unit. And I haven't had a lick of problem with it. And I've only used it 1 season, but I can highly recommend it. I ran into Walmart, and this is what I used. Olive oil infused with garlic and basil. That's what and then I put fresh garlic in there. I cheated. I was actually looking for garlic, but fresh garlic, but this is what I got. Whole peeled garlic cloves. And that's not necessary. It's so easy to make it from just whole garlic, regular garlic. But I just picked them up. I put those in there, and salt and pepper, and just salt and pepper to taste. Nothing fancy, but All right, I'm going to sign off, and I've got some more eating to finish up. Oh, by the way, Cap and I found 2 coveys, and I only got a shot at 1 bird. Sun got in my eyes, dog ate my homework. I miffed it. So there's plenty of birds in here, and I'm going to go back in there with I think blue or JD, probably blue, and give Shaq the day off. So till next time, bon appetit.